In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable voice isolation for phone calls on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let's make a call. When we are on a phone call or when we just calling to someone, first off, we need to swipe down from the top right corner, and right here, as you can see, it says that now mic mode is standard, and to enable voice isolation, we need to tap right here. And that's basically where we can easily find voice isolation. We can easily select it to switch to that mode. In this mode, the iPhone will try to cut out all extraneous sounds and noises and leave only the voice of your conversation partner. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.